I'm Logan with Betenbough Homes, and today we're going to be talking about Gfci outlets and how to reset them if they trip. GFCIs are designed to protect you from electrical shocks that can be caused by short circuits, by water coming into contact with an appliance, or a bad appliance itself. And they're required anywhere that there's water in the vicinity of a circuit, such as a kitchen, a bathroom, or a garage. Most GFCI outlets have a light on it indicating if it's been tripped or not. If yours doesn't have a light, press the reset button anyway and see if that'll restore power. The most common GFCI outlet in the house to trip is usually the garage. It's an exterior part of the home that's susceptible to humidity more than the rest of the house. So maybe on a rainy day or an especially humid day, you might see those GFCI outlets tripping. The most common way you'll notice that is if your garage door doesn't open or close. If it doesn't open or close, check the GFCI inside the garage and reset it, and that should restore power and allow you to open and close your garage door again. We recommend testing your GFCI outlet every month or so. And to do that, just hit the test button right next to the reset button, and that should break the circuit, and then follow that by hitting the reset button. If that restores power, your GFCI outlet is functioning properly. If you liked today's video, feel free to like and subscribe to our channel. And if you'd like to leave a comment or have a question, or if you'd like to request a video in the future, leave a comment down below.